How to use Visa gift card on Etsy. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for etsy.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to use your Visa gift card on Etsy, you need to have a few items in your cart. So, go ahead and add a few items in your cart by selecting the product and choosing their size, quantity, and other specifications. Once you have items on your cart, go to your cart and further select the items you want to proceed to check out with. Now, scroll down and you will see the Apply Coupon Code option. A text box will appear. Tap on the text box you see there and enter your Visa gift card code, and finally tap on the Apply button. And with this, if the code you entered is correct, your code will be applied during checkout. So, this is how you can use Visa gift card on Etsy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.